I was doing engineering in University College Cork, and I was travelling over and back to watch Liverpool football games pretty regularly, and I kept finding myself in the same situation where to get the ticket I would have to send somebody money who I'd never met and hope that they would then send me the ticket afterwards. The kind of underlying thought that I had the whole time was there must be a better way of doing this. Trustap is the safest way to buy and sell with someone or a business that you don't know or can't trust.
One of the things we experience in slowdowns is people may not have the budget to actually be able to buy the brand new products, and instead see the value in upcycling and reselling their products to give it that second life cycle.
That's why it's even more important to have solutions that can help people do that safely and efficiently. There have definitely been some obscure use cases, from some very exotic pets to an airplane.
There's been a few companies actually sold through Trustap. Doing user interviews is always really interesting to see how this product is being used across the world. We don't think of ourselves as a small Irish company. We think of ourselves as a really robust product that can be used across the world, and we have these products like onboarding the local payment methods, using Stripe Identity to make sure that the users are onboarded with the specifics of their region.
In Ireland, you have to have an international first mindset at the beginning. Being associated with Stripe is hugely beneficial to our brand. When we go to partner with businesses around the world, they might not necessarily have heard of us, but they've definitely heard of Stripe, and that gives them confidence. One of the really successful partnerships we've had this year is with a business called Student Seats, which does the ticket resale for different colleges around the US, specifically the big American football colleges. We use a lot of Stripe products, originally Connect, and more recently we use Radar and Identity. We've improved our authentication rate by over 3x, and we've seen a 20% improvement in the false positive rate as well.
Next for the product team, I suppose, is constant expansion. We can use the scalability of the entire Stripe network to bolster our own product suite by offering these new technologies.
There are a lot of things to consider when expanding worldwide, and I think the usual things around localization and support in the different countries is one of them, and Stripe make it very easy. We're very optimistic about the outlook for the next 1 year, 10 years and beyond.